Cyber threats are growing in frequency, sophistication, and in cost. This year's IBM report comes with two major developments. First, the global average cost of a data breach increased 10% over the previous year, reaching $4.88 million, the biggest jump since the pandemic. Second, on the defender side of the equation, researchers also found applying security AI and automation is paying off, lowering breach costs in some instances by an average of $2.2 million. As more enterprises shift to the cloud, having trusted, proven technology partners that can mitigate risk and protect the company's critical assets is essential. Fortinet and IBM Cloud have been protecting customers' data since 2008 and continue to expand those offerings to meet the challenges of an ever-changing threat landscape. Fortinet and IBM Cloud's newest offering, the Fortinet Virtual Security Appliance for IBM Cloud, is designed to further protect IBM Cloud workloads from the onslaught of cybersecurity threats. The FortiGate security appliance for IBM Cloud enables advanced threat protection through FortiGuard services like IPS, web filtering, and anti-malware to provide the best workload protection against known, unknown, and zero-day threats. Integrated security management through FortiGate Administrative UI also provides centralized management and visibility of security policies across all cloud environments, including IBM Cloud. There are also comprehensive networking features like industry-leading traffic segmentation, VPN services, and load balancing, all working together to provide optimized traffic management and secure access to IBM Cloud resources and workloads. And finally, there are the benefits of high availability and reliability. FortiGate virtual appliances can be configured for high availability, ensuring continuous protection and minimizing downtime in case of failure. The appliance also supports disaster recovery planning by providing secure and resilient connections across multiple IBM Cloud regions. These are just a few of the benefits that make the FortiGate security appliance the choice for organizations looking to secure their IBM Cloud environments comprehensively and cost-effectively. To learn more, contact us today.